Hey queens and kings, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. So as you all could tell from the title, we are doing a collective haul where I pretty much had picked up some things, did a little bit, oh excuse me, I have done a little bit of retail shopping, therapy shopping. So therefore I want to show you guys pretty much the stuff that I have, and I also want to show you guys some items that two of you queens actually sent to me. Share with the rest of you queens and kings pretty much. But anyways, my name is Valerie. If you're new here, just stopping by. I do all things home decor as well as lifestyle vlogs. So if that's something that you're into, like watching, all tuned about, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also turn on your post notification bell. So let's jump right on into this. So first thing first, and I'm pretty much going to show you all is tell you about the things that two of the queens that actually reached out to me to gift me with some items, which they know I love home decor, and both of them basically sent something home decor, but one of them I actually use as a DIY too as well. And that first item would be these mirror tiles by Glam Princess. I don't know if she want me to put it out there, but I'm putting it out there. I just want to say thank you so much again. She sent me these tiles all because of that round table that I do have in the front room that a lot of you guys love it too. I like the table, but it wasn't a love for me because I'm all about the mirror. I'm still in the glam world, even though I'm trying to move into modern a little bit, just a little bit, not too much. I think I'll always be a glam girl, die-hard glam girl. I'm sorry, but it is what it is. But she reached out to me and she wanted to send me some of those so I could actually put some of these around it. So I had to get my son together right quick. Y'all hear Andre in the background. I got the door closed and everything. He's still out. But yeah, so Glam Princess sent me out these mirror tiles here, which I'm not gonna use them on the round table now, because I'm actually over the round table. Honestly, the round table been out of the picture for a minute now. I'm quite sure you don't see me with the mirror, my mirror coffee table back. So, but I promise you, these will get utilized. So this also was a little boost of her way of basically trying to push me back out there into the DIY world. So I got to go ahead and do it. I had to go ahead and do it, whatever I'm going to use these for. So I've been thinking. So if you're new here, I do have a DIY channel where I do a lot of all things home decor over there, but it's DIY glams. So if you want to check them out, link down below. My channel is Valerie Glamorous Castle DIYs. That is my main channel. So check me out. I promise it's some affordable stuff. I promise. But Princess sent 3 of these. So whatever I decided to use these for, I'm quite sure I would have enough. So thank you, girl. Thank you. I appreciate it. Then another one of our queens sent me an item, and her name is Octavia J. I think that's what her channel go by, but I will leave both of their channels down below, and I'll leave their names on the screen somewhere where I don't mention them at. But if you guys could go over there, check both of their channel out, which this wasn't no paid promotion or nothing like that, just something that I wanted to shout them out just to show them my appreciation for them just gifting me. I don't even think about little me. But Octavia sent me a lot of home decor, as in pics and flowers type things. You guys have seen that I had a couple of them in my home, which is the trying to get out the word foxtails, which those are from Pier 1. I know for a fact where she got those from, and I really do love them so much. So when she actually reached out to me to send me some more of those, she had a gift for me, and I opened the box and that's what it was. I was like, girl, you kidding me? She was like, nope, I got these for you. And then she sent out me another one that is a part of the foxtail family, but they're not foxtail. They have more of the branches spread out, but they all is more like a champagne gold, or between champagne and gold, with, you know, clear crystals or whatever the case may be. And I love them. I love them. I love them. And then to top it off, she also sent some more, which these here, I have these because I have not put these to style these up, which are these picks here. And these here are original from Z Gallery, I think I've seen. Oh, Pier 1, that's what it was. Pier 1 for, girl, you only like you never use these things. Wow. But it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I think they were $14 a stem. Girl. Y'all is too sweet. Y'all is too sweet. But trust and believe they will be used. I will put these to use. Y'all already know. They may not be today, they may not be tomorrow, but I promise you they will get to use. So yeah, but she sent 4 of these, and I think it was 4 of the foxtails and 4 of the other ones, the pics that she sent. So thank you so much, Octavia. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate you both. Thank you guys so much. Like, oh my God. Y'all gonna make me cry. What you don't know about me, I'm a little emotional. I'm a little emotional, but I'm not gonna cry today. I'm not gonna cry today. So moving on, how many of y'all knew that Shein had home decor? How many of y'all knew Shein had home decor? It's not a section that I go to often whenever I go on Shein. I just was glad and being nosy, trying to find something that I want to spend my little chain on, and I came across these. Pillow covers. Pillow covers were no more than $5 for them. Look at these. They give me the vibe of, what the name of that luxury, Fenty, something, I think something like that. But is it Fenty? Not Fenty. It's still with an F though. Finity, I think that's what it is, something like that. But it gives me that pattern look, a vibe. And then when I turn it another way, I see the H. So I'm like, you know what? I don't know, but it just gives me a nice luxury vibe, and I'm loving it. I'm like really loving these pillows here. Like, you can't beat these. Look, so pretty. But they are 18 by 18, so I did order 3 of these, and then I ordered only 1 of these. I can't believe that I only ordered 1, but I think I know why I only ordered 1, because I'm actually thinking about putting black in the room. Well, as you all can see, I got black curtains up already, but that's what I'm thinking about going with in the room is black. And when I seen these, I fell in love with them. Like, look how cute these are. So cute. So I didn't stop there, child. I was getting every color that I think that I know I probably would use. And I picked up a cream color too as well. I bought this one more for the living room to go with my rug and stuff. So sorry, see, can y'all see the color with that? Like, look at that. They are so pretty. So I ordered 2 of these. They are the square ones are 45 by, okay, the square ones are 45 by 45, and the lumbar one is 30 by 50. So, and like I said, they were no more than about $5 for them, and I picked them up. So there goes some more of the black. Then the last color I picked up that you guys never seen that I picked up before or used in my home is this color here. Look at that. That is so pretty. Look at that green. Look how rich it looked. Like, oh my God, that, should I go green? Y'all know I like to change colors in my home. Y'all know I like to change colors in my home. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Now, on this website, it looked like the background was white, but as you can see, the background is not white, it's a cream. So that's fine with me. I still like it. And on the back of them, they have the solid color on the back, but these are very nice, and I thought it was very nice. So I picked up 2 of the green ones, 2 of the cream ones, and I picked up 3 of the 44 by 44, the square ones, and 1 of the 30 by 50. So if they had some more, I think I'm gonna go order another one of those 30 by 50, but I don't remember. I know when I picked mine, they had more, so I don't know. I have not been back on the site since then. So I was like, yeah, I have to, let me indulge in it. Let me indulge. So also one more other thing that I picked up from Shein, which this wasn't up but $5. This is a faucets spray or whatever attachment. You know how the shower head, you could, the attachment is, it sprays out like that. This is pretty much the same thing, but it go on your sink. So therefore I can use just the spray, cause you know, just to upgrade something, be a little more fancy. So I'm probably try to have Dre to put it on, but I'm quite sure I can put it on. I'm quite sure I can put it on, but yeah, it wasn't nothing but $5. And y'all don't tell me what made me do it. TikTok. Trust me, you gotta stay off TikTok. I done bought several things because of TikTok, which I'm about to show you guys in a moment. So TikTok pretty much made me do it. Amazon had these too, but Amazon had them for $10. This was just $5. Why not try it for $5? Why not? So, okay, so what else I'm gonna show you all is basically, okay, I went to HomeGoods And I picked up some more of these glasses here. They didn't have much in HomeGoods. Well, I didn't see nothing that caught my eye because I'm looking for specific things and things like that. So therefore, that's probably why I didn't see nothing. But I picked up some more of these glasses here. This was $7.99. Was this one? Yeah, this one was $7.99, and this 2-pack here was $12.99. Now the reason I picked this up because Jamie broke one of my glasses. So when I saw that, I was like, yes, I can get this. I can go ahead and get this. Because for one of these glasses, which is Z Gallery and Pier 1 dupe, it is $12 for one at Z Gallery. So I know I wasn't gonna pay no $12. I was just gonna wait for the season to come in and find them. So I'm happy that I walked up in there and found them. So now, but I bought 2 extra just to go add on to the collection that I have, because I have 4 now. As I got this one, I have 4 again, and these 2. So therefore I could put 2 to the bar and 4 on my dining room table. So yeah, I like those. I like those. I really do like these. I really do. Y'all see me try to get into this gold? Y'all don't see me? Girl, don't break the glass. You just got the damn glass. Don't break it now. Jeez. Now we're finna move on to what TikTok made me pretty much buy. So my daughter loved to call me extra, and yes, I could be extra. Dre called me extra too. Yes, my husband called me extra too. So, but anyways, I picked up this because you know what? I seen it on TikTok, and TikTok made me buy it. And it is a whiskey decanister. Pretty much, I'm not gonna use it for whiskey. I'll probably use it for the hard liquor or whatever if I need something tough. But I don't know. Maybe I just use it for wine. I don't know. But let me show you how pretty, because it's prettier in person. Look. She's so pretty. Wow, whispering. I don't know. But yes, she's so pretty. It's reserved. Look at her. You see the one over there? Reserved. Didn't say whiskey. It looked like a perfume bottle, which is more the reason why I got it. The top come off of, you know, it's just too cute to pass by. This thing here, don't make me lie, I think it was like, I want to say $40, y'all, which was the reason why Dre said he didn't want that, because I tried to say, I asked him and told him how much it was. Dre said, hell no, I keep my whiskey in my own bottle where it came in. Oh well, it's all about the aesthetics. Of course a guy won't get it, but yeah, I love it. I really do love it. I love it. Now, going along with that, I picked up some glasses. These glasses right here, which you can't see. I already took one out the case, so I'm gonna show you guys because they kind of fragile. And these was like, how much was these glasses? I want to say less than $15. Girl, she got body yada 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 yada. Girl, listen. I'm so extra. These are wine glasses. These are, I really am extra. I just said that out loud. But yeah, cause Jamie, excuse me, Jamie called me extra too. When she definitely saw these, she was like, "Mom, really? You is so extra." But for some reason, the sculpture of the body is just really just playing with my mind, my mental. And why I say that is because what else I bought because of TikTok. Girl, look at this. Look at this. So let's say, look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Somebody come look at that. Look at that. Girl, she got a body. Okay. Oh, perfect. Girl, I'd never be that no more. But I'm just saying. But this one here is a soap pump. This soap pump was $17. They did have the guy. The guys was a little bit cheaper, probably $14. I didn't get the guy. Dre don't be into stuff like this. But I thought she is so cute and sexy, girl. And then I got the, okay, what we doing? YouTube, don't go flagging my stuff. Don't let them flag me, y'all. Don't let them flag. But yeah, so I was like, these are too cute. Look at it, girl. It's too cute. It's too cute. Y'all already know I got a candle. Matter of fact, let me show you my candle. I don't beat my candle up though. Look. Look at it. She is so cute. Look at it. So cute. I don't know why I keep whispering though, but I keep whispering for whatever reason. I don't know what that's about. Okay, so we got 3 more items. I think 2 more items. No, 3 more items. The other item which I would insert as well, which is this pretty much this ottoman that I'm looking at. I got that from DD's. I think I took you guys with me a while back, but I didn't show you what I picked up, but I showed it to you guys on camera, which is the great ottoman. It have like the tuffet look and stuff. It's small, it's right and perfect for the location where I have it at right here in my bedroom, and I'm pretty much using it for storage, and I like it. But it slowly becoming a catch-all because it's pretty much where the pillows go at when they come off the bed. They go over there. But when I make my bed up, it's clear, it's empty. Well, it's not empty. It have like my laptop and stuff on it. But I like it. It doing the purpose what it need to do. It was like $65 for it. I think that's what it was. But yeah, I like it. I really do like it. So it does the job. It does the job, really do. So now let's move on to the last two items, and one of the last two items is gonna be pretty much black curtains. So you see, I already have some of the, like I just told you guys, for whatever reason, I'm getting into black. I don't know why, but black is calling me. Black is like really calling me. Honestly, I want to put the black in the front room and bring my brown in here. I really do want my brown in here. But we're gonna see. But right now, I picked up 2 packs of these curtains because I already had black curtains. So I picked up 2 more extra packs, a set of 2-pounders. So yeah, and then they are 52 by 96 inches long. So you can't go wrong with that. And they are velvet. Of course they're velvet. What's this? It's velvet? So yeah. Okay, so the last and final items are these here. These rugs. I picked up 2 packs of these rugs. These rugs was like $20 some dollars a piece. I want to say they're more $25. But I don't know if I'm keeping them, but I couldn't find no other modern looking rugs like this online. Like these was the only one came up in black and white and gave me a cute little modern look. Like, can you see the vision? Can you see it? So yeah, so I don't know, but the reason why I'm talking about sending them back because they're not white, more like a off cream. Like it look like they've been walked on. You see that? Like, girl, they're almost gray. They're almost gray, but it have a reversible side. So the side that you pretty much see right here is the back part, and then it's the top part though. But then again, they have that old like stuffy smell to them. So if I keep them, I definitely got to wash them. But I just hope it don't bleed. You get what I'm saying? You know how stuff can pretty much bleed. So I don't know. But like I said, I picked up 2 pair and they a modern thread. So 1, 2. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep both of them or not. But as of right now, I'm saying yes to them. I don't know. It depends if I keep the black in here. It depends. So yeah, queens and kings, that is pretty much it. What I have picked up, what I've been collecting, I've been putting off to the side and the sides, because I was like, let me show my queens and kings what I have, other than how I have been showing it before. I don't know, the words can't come to my mind right now, but I have not did a haul in a minute. So what am I talking about? I don't know, but anyways, queens and kings, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you see anything that you like, trust and believe, the links will be down below. The links themselves will be down below. So I'm gonna take my time and put the links down there just in case if you do want to purchase something below. So therefore, you don't have to go through my Amazon storefront or anything like that. But yeah, so with that being said, queens and kings, remember, your crown may tilt, but a damn sure won't fall. Bye-bye.